Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today about the Tartarus version 2, a mecha membrane gaming keypad from Razer. A product for gamers. But what exactly is a gaming keypad? Well, it is like a mix between a keyboard, a mouse, and a gamepad. The keypad has 20 programmable keys, a scroll wheel, a thumb button, and a multi-directional knob. All of this is complemented with a palm rest for comfort on long game sessions. I have been using it for playing PUBG, and I must say that it is much more comfortable than playing on my normal keyboard, mainly due to the thumb button and the ergonomic palm rest. You can create multiple profiles for multiple games and then change between them on the Razer Synapse software. Thanks to Razer Chroma, you are also able to fully customize the RGB lighting of your keypad. The mecha membrane keys give you a good mechanical feedback, and this is how they sound during use. I wish they were quieter, but it's just a personal preference.